Hello, everyone. I'm Nora. Welcome to the English Mood Podcast. Let me ask you something. Have you ever understood English perfectly while watching videos? But when it was finally time to speak, your mind suddenly went blank? Maybe you knew the words. Maybe you knew the grammar. But the sentence just wouldn't come out. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Welcome to day one of our 10-day English shadowing challenge. Over the next 10 days, we're going to practice real English together and build stronger speaking habits one day at a time. And today, we're starting with something that every English learner needs: greetings and introductions. The sentences you'll hear today are simple, natural, and useful in real conversations. Here's how it works. Listen carefully. Then repeat out loud. Every sentence will be repeated twice. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence of a native speaker. Remember, you don't become fluent by studying English. You become fluent by speaking English. All right. Let's get started. Let's start with some simple greetings. Listen and repeat. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. How's it going? How's it going? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. It's great to see you. It's great to see you. Good to see you again. Good to see you again. How have you been? How have you been? I've been doing well. I've been doing well. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You too. You too. Excellent. Now let's learn how to introduce ourselves naturally. My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto. I live in Toronto. I work in marketing. I work in marketing. I'm a university student. I'm a university student. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I've been studying English for 2 years. I've been studying English for 2 years. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. English is my second language. English is my second language. I'm trying to improve my speaking skills. I'm trying to improve my speaking skills. I want to speak more confidently. I want to speak more confidently. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. Let me tell you a little about myself. Let me tell you a little about myself. Great job. Now imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Let's practice a real conversation. Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi. Nice to meet you. My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto. I live in Toronto. What about you? What about you? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I work at a local school. I work at a local school. That's interesting. That's interesting. Thank you. Thank you. I enjoy meeting new people. I enjoy meeting new people. Me too. Me too. It's nice talking to you. It's nice talking to you. Awesome work. And by the way, if you're enjoying this challenge so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Mood Podcast. We're going to practice together every day for the next 10 days. And trust me, small daily practice sessions can create big results. Now, let's continue. Let's talk about work and study, because these topics come up in conversations all the time. I'm a student. I'm a student. I study English every day. I study English every day. I'm studying business. I'm studying business. I work in marketing. I work in marketing. I work for a software company. I work for a software company. I work from home. I work from home. I have a busy schedule. I have a busy schedule. I enjoy my job. I enjoy my job. I'm learning new skills. I'm learning new skills. I have an online meeting today. I have an online meeting today. I'm working on a project. I'm working on a project. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. I want to speak more naturally. I want to speak more naturally. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. I never stop learning. I never stop learning. Fantastic. You're doing great. Now let's move into something more natural. Small talk. These are the kinds of conversations native speakers have every day. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day today. The weather is really nice. The weather is really nice. It's quite hot today. It's quite hot today. It's a little cold outside. It's a little cold outside. How's your day going? How's your day going? My day is going well. My day is going well. I've been pretty busy today. I've been pretty busy today. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Do you have any plans tonight? Do you have any plans tonight? I'm going to relax at home. I'm going to relax at home. I might watch a movie later. I might watch a movie later. That sounds like fun. That sounds like fun. I've had a great day so far. I've had a great day so far. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Take care. Take care. Great work. Before we finish today's practice, let's do one final challenge. Try to speak clearly and confidently. Let's go. I study English every day. I study English every day. I enjoy learning new things. I enjoy learning new things. I want to become more fluent. I want to become more fluent. I practice English consistently. I practice English consistently. I'm becoming more confident every day. I'm becoming more confident every day. I can speak English. I can speak English. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Amazing job. You just completed day 1 of the 10-day English shadowing challenge. And remember, fluency isn't built in a single day. It's built one practice session at a time. If you completed today's challenge, leave a comment below and write, Day 1 complete. I'd love to see how many people are joining us on this journey. Tomorrow we'll continue with Day 2, where we'll practice daily routine English and learn how native speakers talk about their everyday lives. I'm Nora. Thank you for practicing with me today. And I'll see you tomorrow for Day 2.